everyone, welcome to Center Sensations. Thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And of course, all of you that keep coming back, thank you so much. It really does mean the world to me. I can't even say it enough, and I know I say it in every video, but I want you guys to know all the comments, all the thumbs up. It really makes my day. That's the best words I can use. It makes my day. So keep them coming, you guys, okay? I've got, again, my white house paint. Instead of using the acrylic paint I usually do for a base, I have got my white base coat down, which is just regular, ready to use white house paint. No water, no silicone in it. And I'm going to try and do a swipe with a little bit of a wreck and a spin probably. But I'm going to try and avoid my outside edges and keep my colors towards the middle of my canvas. This one's a 14 by 14. And we're just going to wing it. I'm just going to drizzle some color in that area and let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to first start out with my liquid metal blue. Kind of frame what I want, roughly. Just to give you an idea of what I was talking about. So I'm going to keep my colors pretty much in these areas until I do my swipe. Now this is a good time to hit that notification bell if you haven't already, because I know you've all hit the subscribe button so that you can get notified with any future video that I post. It'll just give you a reminder to come and check out my channel and see what kind of creation I came up with at that time. Okay, blue's down. That looks fairly even. We'll go with that. This is also liquid metal in the green. This one I feel like I've mixed it a little bit runnier than the other one. Hopefully that doesn't affect it too much. Be a bit thicker green up here. There we go. Now we have got deep green. This one is by Arteza. I'm going to be swiping it, so it's okay that I slopped in the middle a little bit. Nothing has to be perfect. It's abstract. Besides, you're the boss. You can make a mess if you want. It's allowed. Okay. Then we've got our sangria. This is one of this little piggy pigments. And that one's going down. Love this color, it's just gorgeous. Okay, next one is going to be Mermaid, also this little piggy pigment. Looks like a pretty picture frame. Then we've got Lily Pad, also another pigment, this little piggy pigment. It's a very pretty green. I hope everybody's staying safe out there and not stuck in a snowstorm like we are right now. Okay, that little blooper right there I'm going to take out because it's not where I want the paint to be. I'm going to go back to the blue. So fingers crossed, everybody, that now I think I'm going to add a little bit of my Bordeaux Red by Arteza. I feel like it needs a little bit more of a red. And this is very close to the sangria that's already in there. It's a little bit darker, but similar. Okay, let's put a purple in there. Okay, let's do orange too, why not? This is Chrome Orange by Arteza. Should we do a silver too? Lots of color in this painting. Silver. Looking at this, I think I'm going to go with some more of the deep green. And some more of the sangria, I think. That'll be my final color in the middle. Okay. So we got my square area filled. Let's do some swiping. I have got Amsterdam's white, titanium white, mixed in here with Floetrol. That's it. I was tempted to put silicone in it, and then I thought, oh, let's try it without it and see. I know the Aussie Floetrol is supposed to be so much better, but I don't have that, so I'm just going to go with what I got. I think I'm going to turn this way. Get my little drop of color. Okay, time to swipe. I'm just going to start right at the edge of my square and lightly swipe all the way down. Grab my paper towel. Okay, let's do that again. Right here. Oop, start again. Oh, we got nice cells popping up. Okay, back this way again. Gonna need some more paper towel here. Okay, let's turn it back. Good one. Okay. Now I think before I even do a wreck, I'm going to give it a little bit of a spin and just see where some of these colors go. I will give it a little torch. Get any bubbles out that might be needing to get out of there. All right. Yeah, I'm going to give it a little bit of a spin and see what it does. I hope you can see those cells coming up because they're gorgeous. Okay, light spin. I'm not going to hit anything, am I? Nope, we're good. Whoop, missed the handle. Okay, let's do. That was kind of a wussy spin, wasn't it? Gonna let it slow down. Okay, one more good one. There we go. Now hopefully any of you, if you get dizzy during this part, I hope you're fast forwarding it. I apologize for that. Oh, beautiful cells coming up. Grab my tool here and see if I can stop it. There we go. Wow. Okay. I'm going to go back the other way and not wreck anything yet because I'm loving what I'm seeing. Can I get this going fast enough? Let's see. Almost have everything covered. I haven't even wrecked anything or blown anything with the airbrush, nothing. Oop. There we go. I think I'm going to do a tilt. I'm going to pick this up and I'm going to tilt it this way a bit. Stretch my cells a little bit and maybe cover up that area that has no color. We'll see if that works. Is it moving at all, you guys? A little bit. Okay, I'm going to try this end and see if I get anything moving on this end. I actually spun a lot of this paint off. I see some movement. Have patience. Or am I just seeing things? I wish I could hear what you guys are saying right now, because you're probably laughing going, Sandy, it's not moving. I'm not going to be able to stop laughing now. Okay, let me see. That actually turned out gorgeous. Do I want to add anything else to it? Do I want to leave it? The white is actually, it did move a little bit. I can see where the paint has gone down. The cells are stretched nicely. You know what? I'm not wrecking this, you guys. This is way too pretty. I'm going to hold it up again, give you a little bit of a close-up, and call this beauty done. Look at how gorgeous those colors are. Yeah, I think it's going to dry so nice. Make sure I didn't screw up my sides at all. Nope. Okay, I'm officially calling that a success. Love it. It's beautiful. Doing a couple more of these, and maybe I will add some flowers on the next one. We'll see. You never know what I'm going to do. Remember, guys, please hit subscribe if you haven't done it already. Doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Doesn't cost anything to hit the notification bell. And it really does mean the world to anybody that has a YouTube channel, because we're all trying to grow our channel. So if you watched somebody else a couple of videos ago that you really liked, go back and subscribe to them too. It truly doesn't cost a penny. It means the world. Thanks again, everyone.